If you have ever wanted to use Google AI Studio like a real application on your computer, or if you are looking for an easy way to install it on your desktop, you are in the right place. You probably want a simple method without any confusion. In this video, I will show you how to install Google AI Studio as a desktop app step by step in a very easy way. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open Chrome, go to the search bar and type in AI Studio. Here you're gonna click on this link. Go to the top right here, click on these three dots, go down to cast, save and share. You're gonna find here install page as app. You're gonna click here. Then click on install. And this is how you can install Google AI Studio as a desktop application. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.